Assalamualaikum anak-anak tadika rakyat. Today, Teacher Rara want to tell a story about the ugly duckling. Let's learn together. A mother duck sits on her eggs. Quack, quack. 1, 2, 3. Her ducklings hatch, but the biggest egg doesn't hatch. Quack, quack. The biggest egg hatches. There is an ugly duckling. Ducklings pat at the ugly ducklings. Ew, you are really ugly. Even his mom thinks. Although it's my baby, he is ugly. The ugly duckling has no friend, so he is lonely. He says, "Mom, I want to leave," and he leaves his nest. The ugly duckling meets geese. "Geese, can I go with you?" asked the ugly duckling, but the geese just leave. Then the ugly duckling sees an old house. An old lady comes out and says, "Oh, little ugly duckling, come inside." He goes inside and meets a cat and a hen. The cat and the hen make fun of the ugly duckling. "Wow, you are so ugly." So the ugly duckling leaves the house. He goes to a lake. Honk, honk. He sees beautiful swans. He joins the swan and stays at the lake. Now it is winter. The ugly duckling is frozen on the lake. "Oh, my poor thing," a farmer says, and he helps the ugly ducklings. The ugly ducklings goes to the farmer's house, but his wife doesn't like the ugly duckling. "Get out! Get out now!" She chases away the ugly duckling. Now it is spring. The ugly duckling flaps his wings. What a surprise! It starts to fly. The ugly duckling sees himself in the water. "Wow, I am a swan." He lives as a beautiful swan, happily ever after. Ugly, ugly duckling, are you ugly? No, you're not. Pretty, pretty swan, are you pretty? Yes, you are. Ugly, ugly duckling, are you ugly? No, you're not. Pretty, pretty swan, are you pretty? Yes, you are.